front being checked. You see it's lifting up. Do you think we need any?
That seems to be peeling alright.
Right, yeah, because I've just been out sweating. It's quite easy to roll this back, and the secret is to try and leave as much on the head as possible, and I think that's happening, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Cool. Right. And Megan's just rolling the adhesive off the lace, and she's keeping her hands taut. Is that the right word? I think. Yeah. And just putting it into the middle from the front. So this short video is about if your partner or friend is helping you really do the front cleanup. I think we should call this one, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. And now the adhesive's been taken away from the front lace, Megan's coming in and just dabbing cotton wool on, and you can see it pick up the adhesive. And then what Megan will do when she starts is using her finger and putting it, what I always recommend, towards the middle from the edge, yeah, because for the simple reason that you want less adhesive on your forehead where the lace is going to come down. So it's just simple logic really. So you just do that for probably a couple of minutes, and that will be removing the adhesive. There's a bit of lace release we're using here, just to remove some of the adhesive. The reason I'm encouraging lace release rather than C22 or amber is because it's got oils on it. So when you're doing this at home, if you can get away with lace release, it's better for when you bond it, because the C22 has oils in the product and they may be difficult to wipe away. Right, we're going to use C22 because I'm a glue head. The adhesive is loving my skin, so Megan's used lace release. Now what we've got to do, because it will remove a lot easier, you're probably feeling it now, aren't you, Megan?
Yeah.
What we've got to do is make sure we remove the C22 residue, because it will affect the bond. Megan's wiping the C22 with cotton wool to start with, and then we may even go to baby whites, but that's got oils, and then we'll definitely go to lace release again, which has got it's alcohol in it, isn't it? It's like more alcohol in it, which will clean the scalp of residue. There we go. Baby wipes, they're fantastic. You'd be lost without those. Megan's spraying some lace release onto the exfoliation glove and going to wipe the C22 off, and I'll tell you what, that's working. Yeah, I can feel it. Cool, well done. The white glove, Michael Jackson, and she's got a black outfit on, so sing me a tune, Megan. Megan's marking up using the white eyeliner. And it's quite important when you roll the front down that you roll the front, if you've got the helpers, roll the front down with the same strength or pressure when you're doing that. So that would be done all the way around. And there's Megan's guidelines, and then the adhesive will be applied behind that. Right, there we go. I'm using Ghost Bond Supreme for this lace front attachment for today. There we go, the adhesive is going to be applied. And we're going to probably do 2 coats today, because I had 1 coat and it lasted quite well for 3-4 days, and it only just started coming up this morning after I trained and sweated a bit. Okay, this is the second coating of Ghost Bond. It was Supreme, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Which I'll let you know how I get along with. Alright, Megan's going to start removing the eyeliner pen, is it? Yeah. And is it removing okay? I obviously can't see it. Yeah. So sometimes it can remove with your fingers, and obviously if you're watching, just makes sense. Megan's putting her finger on to the marker pen or the eyeliner, sorry, and then just removing it down. So then if Megan has to wipe it, she'll wipe it with a baby wipe, and it doesn't really matter because it's nowhere near the adhesive. That was good. Yeah, and Megan's just rolled this down. And this is the part where I do look good looking. Towel over my head. Come on, you can laugh, Megan. You're allowed to laugh at my jokes even though they're not funny. That's part of the deal in this place.
Just got to keep laughing.
Yeah. Megan's just pressing the front down as well as the towel. I'm quite confident that the adhesive hasn't gone in front of the lace, which it's more awkward with behind the lace. Behind the lace and not enough adhesive is easier to do with what do we call it? A little stick? Like a cocktail stick, isn't it? Is that right?
Yeah, cocktail stick or a cotton bud with
the top taken off. Yeah, that's good. So just pressing it down, and then we're going to have a look and see if there's any bits that she's got to add to. Right, there we go. You can see it. That was a earbud with one of the ends cut off, and so get a small amount of adhesive, and Megan will put it underneath a little bit of lace which is left to adhere. And if you've noticed that Megan's got a cut thumb, she cut it yesterday. I think it was just with the lace, wasn't it? Removing some of the lace.
Yeah, trimming the lace.
So she's not really self-harming, honestly. I'm not driving her to that, am I? Yet.
Not yet.
There we go, and that will just disappear eventually, and then Megan will roll the lace down. Right, it's ready to go down. Removal of the hair clip, and just gently press that down, and then tap with the tweezers. And I'll finish off this video. I will leave this for a few minutes before I start styling. So I'll go and do a quick style, and that'll be the end of it. So this video is about your partner, your friend, your girlfriend helping you with the front clean-up and attachment. My advice to you would be, don't fall out with your partner when you want it done, because you won't get it done properly. That looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Well done. Aren't I lucky to have this available for me? Hey everybody, there's a beast behind. I've just done the front with Megan, and this is the result. So I've come in to show you. Nicely blonde at the front. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.